Most people work tirelessly to increase their income, yet their net worth remains completely flat. This is not a lack of effort, it is a system blockage. If your capital is generating revenue in one area but stalling somewhere else in your pipeline, you are leaking wealth without realizing it. Today, we install the Wealth-Building Bottleneck Protocol to locate your financial friction points and unblock your capital flow. The error is pipeline blindness. When you look at your finances, you usually focus only on the top line, how much you make, or the bottom line, how much you spend. But wealth is built in the middle at the transfer points between earning, retaining, and multiplying. To scale, you must implement the capital flow audit. Trace every dollar from the moment it enters your ecosystem to the moment it gets deployed. Where does it slow down? Is it sitting too long in checking? Is it trapped in an inefficient investment vehicle? Is tax inefficiency bleeding your margins? Next, execute bottleneck isolation. Once you find where your money stalls, apply relentless pressure to fix it. If your cash flow stalls because you lack an automated investment engine, build the automation. If it stalls because your money is sitting in low-yield accounts instead of compounding assets, redirect the stream immediately. You do not need to make more money to get richer. You just need to remove the friction that prevents your current money from moving efficiently. Finally, practice continuous flow optimization. Wealth accumulation is a fluid dynamic. The faster and cleaner your capital moves from production to multiplication, the faster your net worth compounds. Stop letting your hard-earned capital get stuck in stagnant bottlenecks. Audit your financial pipeline, clear the blockages, and let your money move at maximum velocity. If you want to move from accidental consumption to architected growth, subscribe and join the 1% who engineer their time and money. Lead with value, not busy work. This is your protocol for total financial control.